Hey Sharks, welcome back. In this video, I want to dive into the 3 golden rules when it comes to trading in the markets. And I added one new rule to my 3-point checklist. So the first one is the fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis helps you decide what company you want to invest in, right? Your research and about the company itself. And then technical analysis is the analysis that lets you determine where is the exit point? When do you want to exit? When do you want to take profits? And then finally, the margin depth indicator. That's something that we have access to, one of my members, and I'll make sure my editor shares it in this video. But it's a 3-point checklist, okay? And the most important is the margin depth indicator. So looking at how much borrowed money and how much leverage money is in the market, because this tells you how much greed is going on, right? And this is where you want to be very careful. When there's too much margin debt in the market, that means that the market is there's a lot of greed, there's a lot of leverage money, not actually cash flow, and this puts the marketplace at a very high risk because too many people are investing with money that they don't have. Okay, so this is when you see the margin debt indicator and you see the margin debt high, this is where you want to tread more carefully and take your positions more modestly, okay? Selecting more modest strike prices. But more important, so starting off with fundamental analysis, deciding on which company and stock you want to invest in, and the technicals on understanding where is your exit point, how much profit you want to take, and you have to stick to that, okay? And I teach you all this within my group, how to look at resistance level, when to exit, select the right strike prices, the right delta, right? And also fundamentals, what industry and why is this industry important, okay? And I explain more of that in my other videos as well. But more importantly is the margin debt indicator, and you want to look at that to see how much margin money is in the marketplace, and that tells you how much greed is in the marketplace. And when it's high, it always, generally, when I've seen it from this indicator, the market sells off. So you want to tread more carefully. All right, so if you found this video helpful, you can like and subscribe. And if you want to share a comment, you can always post a comment there. And of course, if you want to learn how to trade options or get in the market, I can help you generate any income anywhere between 3 to 10% per month, safely, consistently, and semi-passively. You can book a time, you personally speak with me. I'll give you a virtual tour. I'll share with you exactly how we can help. And of course, stay tuned for the second half of this video. You'll see me in action working with one of my members. All right, so wish you a great day wherever you are, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, so what we're going to do, since you're level 3 now, we can run some poor man's cover call. So let's look at the far right. Let's look at your positions. You have pony and you have iron. All right, let's look to the right.
Pony, iron, and
yeah, there you go. So pony's not doing so good, but we're gonna run some. It's a leap, so it expires in May. We have some time for that to recover. And then iron is in the green, but I think there's more upside to that. But what we can do is now you can sell cover calls. So what is a poor man's cover call? Poor man's cover call is you can sell cover calls on your leaps. Your leaps acts like collateral. So with the 5 buys, that represents 500 shares. So that means you can sell 5 contracts. That's the power of leaps. And then you also have Mara, so we can sell cover calls there. So whichever you want to start with, you can go start with whichever pony, iron, or Mara. We're going to run cover calls on all 3. But you do have to watch these, okay? So start with whatever. We can go with pony.
Okay, let's do pony.
All right, so let's go to pony. And then let's look at where it's trading at. I think 15 strike is good. Yeah, it's been holding really steady there. So I'm going to do pony, let her load up, sell call. We'll let it load up. Okay, let's go to bottom. On the bottom says view all options. Yeah, let's sell a call for sell call.
Sell call.
And expiration December 12th.
Nice.
Yeah, and we can pick 5 contracts. Strike price 15. There you go, $50 per contract.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's wild. I didn't know you could do that if you had leaps.
Yes, you can.
That's
how you hedge. Because when you buy a leap, you pay a fixed amount. When you sell cover calls on your leap to hedge, you actually are paying down that debit that you paid. And sometimes you can pay the debit all the way down. You're free rolling on the leap. The leap was pretty much paid for by the cover call, and the leap was there, so it's really powerful. Hit continue.
Okay. If you wanted to be a little more conservative approach, you could also do the delta of 33 too, right?
Right, but wouldn't be aggressive because I just looked at technicals on this. The resistance level is at 15, so you want to recover that debit that you paid originally.
Wow.
Yeah. So this is just purely off technicals, not off delta. Sometimes we go off delta, sometimes we go off technicals. If you look at Pony's technical, the resistance is at the high 14s. So
Hmm.
we want to capture this opportunity to be able to collect $50 per contract. At the
Nice.
same time, if we need to roll it, we can always roll. It's not a big deal because your lead contracts are all the way till May. So you do 5 contracts
Wow.
here.
Okay. That's so interesting.
Yes, it's a really good way to
Wow.
hedge. Now, obviously, if Pony's moving parabolically, then we don't want to sell cover calls. We just want to
Hmm.
let the leap do this work. But
Yeah.
Pony's just been trading below 15, so we can use 15 as a strike price. We can go with
Okay. Okay.
0.53. Let's go
Okay.
with the
Let's
limit
try
price
just
of
to.
0.53. Get a little bit more. Yeah, and let's process that. So
You think
264.
it'll? Okay. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah, more likely to get filled. Oh no,
Wow.
not enough firepower. You need place the order.
Interesting.
I think your leap might be on margin that you did originally, but it's okay. Let's go back.
Okay. Back to
No, on the
accounts.
right side. No, on the right side.
Hmm.
We added this order. Instead
Okay.
of five, we'll do like three.
Okay.
How do we go back
Oh,
to
let me see if
basic?
I cancel that.
Yeah, there
Go
you
to
go.
edit.
Yeah, and just go to three contracts
Okay.
instead.
I don't know if it is margin because I disabled or I didn't disable it, but I don't think I'm using margin.
Yeah, you
That's
probably are
interesting.
because I ran into this myself not a while back.
Uh-huh.
So some of the leaps I have are on margin. Let's process this to see if we can get three contracts. No, we
Isn't
do
that
two.
interesting? I wonder
We're
what that
off by
means.
56. So we just
Huh.
do two contracts.
Okay.
I guess in a way, it doesn't want because your leap is not collateralized because it's in the leap is in the red. So just go with two because the leap contracts are in the red, so it's not letting you do the full amount.
Oh, I
So
see what you're saying.
yeah,
Oh, yeah, that's right.
the market value of the leap.
Yes, it's of everything, right? Of all the
Correct.
cash value. Okay, okay.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, so I can submit that.
Yeah, I think you do two contracts, so that's fine.
Yep, two contracts at 0.53. We'll see how that goes.
And I think it got to go up,
Okay.
go
Let's
up.
see if I can
So
go up.
see if you can. Oh no, it's placed. No, it didn't get filled. Um,
Replace order?
replace water.
Cool. Just kind of play around with that number for a bit.
Let's just go to 0.50. Yeah,
Okay,
just
right
leave
there.
it there. Yeah, let's just
Okay.
process that. There you go.
Wow. Four man's covered calls, huh? That's interesting.
Yep, let's go up. Let's see if we get filled.
Cool.
Okay, great. All right, that's
Got it.
done. Let's go to the next
So
one.
100 bucks premium there, huh? Or credit.
Yep, that's right.
Okay.
And that's a cash.
So interesting. Okay, so now back to this speller, you think?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh,
Did you
come
click
on.
on it?
Yeah, I wonder if it's just lagging.
Oh, it could be like
Okay. Yeah, so as you mentioned, if Pony does like starts to go like parabolic, then we kind of just want to let it expire, right? Let the every call
right. If it
expire.
if the call goes in the money, we have to monitor it. Okay,
Yeah.
but if it goes in the
Okay.
money, we'll roll it. If it doesn't, it
Hmm.
expires out of the money. That's fine, and we just keep rinsing. We just keep rinsing, repeating the process.
Gotcha.
Yeah, let's go to iron.
Sorry, let me see if I can. The laptop interface is weird for me. I'm so used to the phone, you know?
Oh, on the far right, you see iron.
Oh, thank you. It's on the right side here.
Yeah, just
Iron.
go click on.
Okay.
Yeah, let's run this one, and just let's see if we can do all five. Let's go to
Okay.
view all options.
We probably could because it's not in the red.
Yeah, so
That's so interesting.
sell
Okay.
call
So sell call.
December 12th, and I know the resistance around 50s go up,
Uh-huh.
but we can go with 50 strike. That's gonna be great, good premium. There you
Wow.
go, 114. So make about 500 and change here, and we'll
Now,
go
when
with
you're
all
finding
five.
that resistance level, how are you using to find that resistance level? Are you doing like an average, like a 3-month average?
Just not a 3 month because the 3 months for iron resistance is the high 60s, low 70s, but the
Yeah.
recent resistance for the past month is the 50 range, the 50 mark. It
Gotcha.
has touched the 49, barely 50, and dipped back down. So
Okay. Okay.
yeah, 50 will be a really strong resistance.
Gotcha.
Does it continue?
Okay. So
And then
if I did happen to say I'm just like, oh, I forgot, I got assigned. It would be like I got assigned at the
50
$50
strike.
price. Then I would
Yeah,
sell it. I would essentially have sold all my shares at $50 or something.
you'll sell your leap to collateral. So you'll get
Gotcha. Okay.
paid. You'll get paid whatever 50 strike pays out in the leap
Hmm. Oh,
plus the
I
premium
see.
you collect here.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Gotcha.
contract five.
I think I have. Do I have 5 iron? I think I have like 9. Could be
Think nine.
wrong. I think.
I
Let me see.
remember five. Well,
You
check your
remember
phone
5?
real
Okay.
quick. Check your
Okay.
phone real quick. Can you see your phone? See how
Yeah.
many contracts you have.
Iron 5. Yeah, you're right.
Okay, so let's go with five.
5. Oh, I see. So it took the cash collateral from the last one. Okay. Because maybe it had to do with my cash collateral for the last one. That's interesting. So instead of 1200 buying power, now I have 380. So we'll see what this looks like.
No, this is going to take off your. I think perhaps using your cash collateral to offset
Mm-hmm.
the collateral for the leap. Let's
Mm-hmm.
try 1.16. Okay, let's
Okay.
process that. That should go through. Let's go up to see if we got food. Oh, it's pending.
Not
Uh,
yet. Let's
yeah, we're gonna
replace
replace
that.
it. Yeah, replace it.
Okay.
Actually, it's at the. Oh, it failed. It failed. It failed.
Oh, no way. Look at that.
Yeah, great. Okay, let's go do one more. You have Mara.
It's lagging. Sorry.
No worries.
I've had this laptop for a while, and I'm like, I've never really used it for like heavy duty stuff, just school stuff.
I think the laptop is fast. Maybe it's the connection.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Could
probably.
be the connection. I'm not sure. Let's look at your Mara. I want to know what your cost basis on Mara.
There we go. Okay. Mara, here we go.
Yeah, let's click on that to see what your cost is. Let's go down. 1619. Okay, so we can and it's trading. Okay, let's go up.
Mm-hmm.
So I have a 1250. It's close. So we do 13. So let's go to view options.
Trade Mara options.
Yes.
Okay.
712, sell call. Look at a 13 strike.
13. Here we are.
Yeah. Let's go with that one. And let's see. 900 shares, you can do 9 contracts.
Let's see. Sorry. Sell call December. Continue.
Yeah, continue nine contracts.
Yeah.
And
What do you think? Should we play with that? Like 38 maybe?
5.38. Then let's process that.
Yeah.
Yep. And then let's see if it get filled. All right, great.
Looks like I did, yeah.
Yep. So you collect about close to $1,000 today, just
Mm-hmm.
off just hedging. Okay. But we do need to monitor it. Your expiration is next week, December 12th.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
We
And if
hope we
it's
don't want to
all
get.
underneath that, we'll be okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
We're just collecting income as long as the stock's not moving, we want to still make some type of money. But when it
Yeah,
starts
that's
moving
right.
back up again, then we need to roll it. Okay, but we'll keep collecting income and selling cover calls until it starts getting to that recovery phase.
That's wild. And then so once that expires, then I'll get, oh, okay. So I see here. I still see the call options and I see now the sells. That's cool.
Yeah, correct.
It's kind
So
of
you'll
just like
have your
recycling the leaps.
yeah, you're just hedging the leaps.
Holy, wow.
That's all. And so are you ready to get back on track, Alex? Because
Yeah.
we need to do some work to get out of these positions back to
Yeah.
profitability and break even zone.
I tried. Yeah. You know what I was thinking was, uh, you know, given everything that's happened, I'm not in like the financial spot I thought I was going to be in. So I was
Hmm.
like, okay, we'll see what we could do for the next month. Because I think my 3 months ends like a month from now.
Yeah, about
So I
there.
was like, okay, we'll see what we come to by then. And then from then I'll take a pause, build into the portfolio, and then probably come back at some point like I did this previous time.
Yeah, we can see how things turn out as we go.
Yeah.
What do you call it?
Totally.
I don't mind, and I know what happened to your girlfriend is something you cannot control. I don't mind, making up for lost time, right? So,
Yeah.
we just gotta look back when we took a pause, and then even
Mm-hmm.
though your membership expires December 22nd, we'll just what do you call it? Make up for those sessions that we would have had if the incident didn't happen. You get what I
Oh,
mean?
that's cool. Yeah. So do you think it would be January 22nd then?
I don't know how long has it been since our last session. Uh,